On Wall Street, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq posted modest gains while the Dow Jones Industrial Average experienced a slight fall. Investors are closely monitoring upcoming events, including earnings reports from major tech companies, a Fed Reserve policy decision on interest rate cuts, and crucial labor data from the U.S., all set to be released this week. This Reuters report gets you a lowdown on all the action in the U.S. stock markets.
U.S. stocks finished mixed Monday in choppy trading as investors await the results of a Federal Reserve meeting and earnings from several mega-cap technology companies later this week. The Dow closed down 0.1%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq added 0.1%. Hennion & Walsh Asset Management Chief Investment Officer Kevin Mon said he is paying close attention to what the Fed does on Wednesday following its two-day meeting.
This is a really big week for the markets and for the psyche of investors as we have the Federal Reserve meeting July 30th and July 31st, and we'll get more of an indication from the Federal Reserve about when that mystical first rate cut may occur. Now, while I wouldn't be shocked if they cut in July, I would be very surprised. As it stands right now, they're calling for one interest rate cut this year, and most in the markets think that interest rate is going to come in September. Time will tell, but that adds an element of volatility this week.
Among the companies posting quarterly earnings are Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta Platforms. Their results will offer clues on whether technology sector stocks are vulnerable or can extend their recent rallies. Stocks on the move Monday included one mega cap, Tesla, after Morgan Stanley added the electric car maker's shares to its top pick U.S. autos list. And McDonald's climbed nearly 4% after it said its $5 meal deal, which launched late in June, was popular among customers shying away from higher-priced items. As a result, the fast food giant reported a surprise drop in sales, its first in 13 quarters.